In this video, we're checking out a containment mat to keep your garage spotless in the winter. Let's see how it works out. Introducing this heavy-duty PVC garage floor mat built for real protection and long-term durability. It's thicker, stronger, and designed to handle the pressure of cars, SUVs, and even trucks without flattening or losing its shape. The waterproof containment design helps keep liquids contained, while the non-slip surface keeps everything securely in place. Maybe this is the upgrade your space needs.
Alright, so it comes with a little squeegee that you can assemble. Looks nice, very shiny. Looks like it should to get the job done. Try pouring some water on here and squeegeeing it off. As you can see, it has a raised lip around the edge of it to keep the water inside. So we're going to test that by pouring some water on it and see if it actually works. Keep the garage nice and clean. Yeah, that'll definitely keep the water in. If all your snow melts, water will all stay inside the mat. Oh dang, it does squeegee pretty well. So if this was my garage, just squeegee that water out. Look at that. Beautiful. Now you can work on your car, keep it nice and clean during the winter. Now you can get underneath your car. That honestly works pretty well.
As the CRV pulls in, you can see how the heavy-duty PVC mat stays perfectly flat under the vehicle's weight. No shifting, no curling, just strong, stable support designed for daily parking. And as the CRV exits, the mat remains securely in place with the containment edges ready to catch water, mud, or snow, keeping your garage floor clean and protected every time you drive in or out. Is this the true test? Using an old Ford Ranger, pickup trucks put more focused pressure on the floor, especially on your heavy frames and rugged tires. The thick, tear-resistant material is built to withstand long-term parking, daily use, and heavier vehicles without deforming or wearing down. The waterproof containment edges are ready to trap mud, water, or road grime, keeping your garage floor clean and protected after every drive. A couple of considerations. So the mat has been installed. It's super easy to install. You just unfold it, put it down. It has the adhesive mats. Initial impressions, what do you think?
I think it's pretty good. You know, it's a heavyweight material, which I think you can see that that's true. It's strong, durable. I don't think it's gonna rip. Seems to do its job. So if you really want a clean garage, this is what you should get.
Well, yeah, if you want to keep your garage clean in the cold winter months,
yeah,
you may want to consider the.
Yeah, I think because it's waterproof and you can squeegee it, it's probably pretty good for like a mechanic or something who wants to get out of their car.
So you may want to consider upgrading your garage with this heavy-duty protection that you can trust. The 610-gram thick PVC construction resists pressure, tearing, and daily wear. It's durable, non-slip, and built to last. This is garage protection done right.